Model, 69-plate Citroen Relay 35 Heavy L3H2 BLUEHDI 140 Enterprise. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 88,984. MOT, the 11th of September 2025. Engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs fine but the coolant is pressurizing so the head gasket will be replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, air-con, parking sensors, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,725 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401119973.